Meteorologist Adam Frederick joins me right now to talk about some fun things happening at NIACC. Of course, I love weather. I love storms. I love storm chasing. That's why I threw this kind of cool background on our
I love
video
it.
here. If you're watching
Great.
online here with storm chasing. So, Adam, kind of tell me about the storm chasing class that's going to be happening at NIACC.
Well, Jared, what I'm doing is I am taking my years of experience because I have chased storms. I started chasing back in the mid 90s. I've seen over 80 tornadoes, and I am going to share a lot of the knowledge that I gained from that to people with the idea of being able to help keep them safe, because I don't want people to necessarily go out and suddenly, like, hey, I'm going to drive to Oklahoma and now I'm going to chase storms. But, we're all out and about. We're all driving around from time to time, maybe some years more than what we're doing this year. But, we're out there, and I want people to be able to know, as I'm driving down the road, as I'm driving into this thunderstorm, do I need to stop? Do I need to get out of its way, take a different path? Is my insurance agent going to absolutely hate me for driving into this thunderstorm with baseball-sized hail? Help them to be able to recognize a lot of that beforehand, because once you're in that situation where you're being pummeled with the hail, you see the tornado, you've got to make the best of bad choices at that point. I want to be able to empower people with making good choices before they get into bad situations.
Sure, absolutely. And this storm chasing class, that is coming up on July 16th. And of course, what are the benefits to online classes versus like in the classroom itself? What are the benefits of those?
Well, it's great, that we're able to do a lot of this now virtually, because it gets a lot of people to be able to visit that maybe didn't have time to be able to make it in, but also it's safe. You don't have to worry about potentially exposing yourself to the virus. It's also a good opportunity for, children to be involved, or just the vulnerable population.
Sure, absolutely. And who can attend NIACC continuing education classes?
The beautiful thing is anybody really can. If you have an interest in it, you can attend. Really, they've got something for everybody. They've got stuff planned for young children, teenagers, employers, job seekers, retirees. The list just kind of keeps going on. It's an opportunity for people to grow professionally or personally. There's just so many different opportunities and different types of classes for a variety of interests. I really recommend people check it out, because there's a lot of good stuff happening this summer.
Sure, absolutely. In addition to your storm chasing class, which is happening this summer, there are some other learning opportunities that NIACC Continuing Education will be offering this summer. Kind of tell me about those a little bit.
Well, I'm not expert on all of them, but one of the things that really looked interesting to me was they had a virtual scavenger hunt that they were doing. A nice opportunity to be able to maybe get the whole family involved, to be able to do stuff together. There's a lot of really good opportunities that they can find out there.
Sure. And how do people sign up or get more information on these classes that are available at NIACC?
They've made it really simple overall. You go to niac.edu, look for the continuing education, and you click on it, and it takes you right on the front page. It's all these different classes that are taking place over the summer. Or if you look for NIACC Continuing Education on Facebook, they got links there as well. A lot of really good information.
Sure, absolutely. And we'll put the link to where to sign up for all these different courses. I mean, I'm very much interested about the online storm chasing class. And at the conclusion of this interview, I'm going to check that out for myself, because that sounds like something I would be interested in checking out. So
I'm trying to take this a little step further than some of the National Weather Service Storm Spotter training classes, going a little bit of a different route. So even if you've taken those before, I think you can get value out of this class that I'll be teaching.
Sure, absolutely. Adam Frederick, anything else you want to add here today for us? It's good to see you, my friend.
Good to see you too.
I know I bump into you occasionally, and we kind of talk and things like that. Anything else that you want to add here today?
Just other than the fact that I'm looking forward to being able to share some of my experience with the weather, about the weather to people, and hopefully be able to give people that knowledge to help keep them safe, not only this summer, from severe weather, but also, for years to come.
Absolutely. That's a storm chasing class with meteorologist Adam Frederick that is happening at NIACC coming up on July 16th. I'll put the information on how to sign up for that online at our radio station website. Adam Frederick, good to see you, my friend.
Good to see you too, Jared. You take care.